Okay guys, I'm sorry you can't really see the whole thing. I tried to kind of hide it behind the couch. I have it's not a big house, it's about a 1200 square foot house, but I don't have AC, I have only heat. And I was looking for something that can cool the house a little bit in the summertime. It got really hot in here. And to be honest, I saw some good reviews about this one, some good videos, and I have to say, honestly, I think it's better than an AC system. It's just literally cooling the whole house. It can go literally to the hallways. I can even feel it in the rooms. But definitely the space here in the kitchen, in the living room, it's just cooling this whole area. It's just amazing. It's working amazing. It's quiet. Right now it's like on max. As you see, it's on high. And you can barely hear nothing. Honestly, if I'm just watching here TV, I can barely hear it. But it feels so good. Wow. It's just, it's a life changer, definitely. I'm glad I saw those videos and the recommendations and everything, and I definitely recommend this little guy here. It's doing a great job. I'm really happy about it.
I have put in a 12,000 BTU in my living room downstairs, and this is for my bedroom. So obviously it's super important for it to be quiet while you're sleeping. This has proven to be even quieter than the one that says H and has a Serenity series. So I turn it on, the louver goes up, and that's as quiet as it is. And it's blowing incredible cold air. If I move it up, you can make the louver swing if you want it to, go up and down to circulate that air. If I turn the fan up, that's medium. Still super quiet. And that's as loud as it is on high. You don't have the typical clicking of the off and on that you have with other air conditioner compressors that wakes you up in the middle of the night. This has been super duper quiet. I'm really impressed. And the fact that you can actually open your window was a benefit. I don't because I don't have screens, but it's kind of a nice thing to have. The installation wasn't difficult. Once you do one, it's not hard. Just follow the directions.
This is the MIDEA 8,000 BTU unit. I got it on Amazon for $379 and like 400 and change with taxes and everything else. I got it in one day. The beauty about this air conditioner, I live in New York City and you can use your window. So that's amazing to me. Now we can have fresh air and have the air conditioner at the same time. I haven't used it yet. It's April, so I'll do another video in about June, July when it's really warm. But what I love about it is that it's super quiet. Even when on high, it's like you barely hear it. You can set it up with your Google or Alexa. Hey Google, turn on my air conditioner. And that's pretty awesome. I like it. It's quiet. It looks nice. So yeah, so far so good.
El aparato funciona muy bien. Nosotros teníamos antes uno, igual un pingüino, y hacía mucho ruido a la hora de arrancar y parar. Este sí hace un ruido normal de aire acondicionado portátil. Veo que enfría bastante, la habitación es bastante grande, tiene unos 40 metros cuadrados y funciona muy bien. A ver cómo se comporta a continuación.